Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change Google profile picture school account. So if you want to change your Google profile picture, what you have to do is you have to open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like. So I'm using my Chrome browser, and after opening your browser you have to search for myaccount.google.com. So after searching for that, now it will directly take you to your account manager. So now if you want to change the profile picture, what you have to do is now you have to tap on the image which is in the middle of your screen. You can see a blue colored image. You might have some different colors or some alphabets. You have to tap on that, and after tapping on that image, now if you scroll a bit down, here you can find two options: change and remove. So if you want to remove this, you can tap on remove, but we are trying to change our profile picture, so we have to tap on change. And after tapping on change, now in illustrates you can find a bunch of pictures. You can select any picture you like, or if you don't like these images, you can also select from your gallery. You just have to tap on Google Photos, and after tapping on Google Photos, you will access the photos which are saved in your Google, and you can set them as your profile picture. Or you can also tap on device photos, and you can take any photo from your device as a Google profile picture. So after selecting the image, now what you can do is you can edit this image into different colors, or you can also crop this image, or you can rotate it. So you can edit it anywhere you like. And after editing your image, now just tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen. And after tapping on next, now you have to tap on save as profile picture. After doing that, you can see the profile picture is saving, and it has saved successfully. Now if you refresh it once, you can see your profile picture has been changed. So this is how to change Google profile picture. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.